Meaning of Ingrid Bergman.
Ingrid Bergman.
Ingrid Bergman.
Ingrid Bergman.
Ingrid Bergman. Ingrid Bergman was a renowned Swedish actress who starred in various films across Hollywood, Europe, and Asia. She's widely regarded as one of the greatest actresses in world cinema history. Her exquisite acting skills, natural beauty, and captivating screen presence made her a household name during the golden age of Hollywood. Her most notable films include Casablanca, Gaslight, Notorious, and Autumn Sonata. Ingrid Bergman won 3 Academy Awards, 2 Emmy Awards, and 4 Golden Globe Awards throughout her career. Her legacy continues to inspire generations of aspiring actors, filmmakers, and movie enthusiasts worldwide.